everyone, it's in Greninja's lovely world again, but today I would like to show you something that I worked outside of the video very hard to make. This is a mob trainer. So, for examples, there's one, but we had some problems with them, so we're just going to spawn the eggs because we're going to spawn the eggs that are part of that. But there's something I'm going to need you to do. We are going to do this. We're going to make something that we're going to go over to my real place because there's something we need to do that we didn't do in our first videos. So I know this isn't one of my first videos, but we're just going to go over to where my house is, and we're going to go and do it. Oh my gosh. Why did that just happen? Now I have to get a bow out. Now I have to get a bow out. So, do you see that? It came from the Funland, but we had to seize it. So, today, we are going to see how our horses do on the obstacle course again. Oh no! We have to spawn a horse and tame it because HeroBrine killed two of my horses. Oh my god. HeroBrine, I will kill you. If it's the last thing if it's the last thing I ever do to keep my world, to do every good thing for these worlds. Now I have it all under my control. That's another way. I know we can't tame horses, but this was the least thing I could do. So I'm just going to get this. Come back. I can't believe someone just hurt my horse. Okay, guys, now we're gonna head back. That was the only thing. But I'm worried because if my horses keep on getting killed by HeroBrine when I'm not in this world, who knows what he'll do. So that's why I'm checking my security. Okay. Okay, that's good, but we're not going to be ending this video soon. We are going to just do a little bit more and then I'm going to do it. Do you see all this line? That's in line with the water. we're going to add some that are all in line with water. That's what we're going to do over here, man. If you're a girl that's watching this, did you guys just hear that? HeroBrine! HeroBrine's definitely here. HeroBrine, here I come. I just heard a strange noise. So if we can just track down where that noise came from, we can beat HeroBrine once and for all. My helper, I just told my helper to come in because this is an emergency about this. If we can't track down HeroBrine, he will do every bad thing to everybody's world. I'm waiting. All right, he's coming in. My helper's coming in. Just in case HeroBrine gets my helper's iPad, I'll be ready to fight him off. Rail Racer 222, where are you? Rail Racer 22, where are you? Rail Racer 222, where are you? Oh. Rail Racer 222. Rail Racer 222, talk. Rail Racer. Rail Racer. I'm sorry to say, but I guess he just went away. So, what does this say? Oh, you're fine. All right. Well, we have to wrap up, folks. See ya tonight. Greninja's Pasta La Vista World. Good night.